What's up, guys? It's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. Y'all see the material. Y'all see the material. Excuse my voice. I have a cold again. Life of a toddler mom. But we still got it done. We still got this hair done. Fall is coming up, so we are incorporating fall colors. Or this hair is from Ywigs. I promoted their hair. I think my second to last video, the Bora Bora Braids, I used their hair, the loose hair, and also when I did the locks. I love their hair. I think they have the best crochet hair, the best bulk braiding hair. Their hair overall is just really, really good, and I find it to be reusable as well, and it's at an excellent price point. So this is the crochet method. I would say this is Bora Bora style because we have so much like loose curly pieces in it, so it definitely is the Bora Bora style. But for my girlies who don't want to pay to get it done from scratch or don't want to do it from scratch, crochet is always an option. The only con with this, it's not as versatile, as in you can't part it in the middle, because you have your cornrow foundation and stuff. But not everybody cares to do all those styles with their braids anyway. This is like just a super quick fix if you mainly want to wear it down, or there is a few styles you can do with it, which I will show you guys that at the end of the video, just like a few styles you could do that doesn't really show your whole foundation. So jumping right into this video, this is the hair that I will be using. I got about 5 packs, I think, of this. I will double check and put it in a description box below because I don't quite remember. But this is my braid down. I forgot what happened when my braids look like this. I think I got them wet. I'm not sure, but honestly, it doesn't even matter. As long as your hair is flat, you can crochet the braids right on top of it. As for technique, I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. Not doing anything different, just a traditional crochet braid, not double knotting or doing anything like that because we don't want our knots to be huge. So just a regular single slide through knot. guys, so we've reached the end. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. With that being said, as promised in the beginning, I'm going to show you guys a few styles you can do with these braids.